Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply use divider and spacer in Elementor, and it's like really pretty easy. So first let's look on spacer. Spacer is really good if you want to like get some content from the header or create a space if your columns are really close to each other, your sections. I definitely recommend going also to Navigator and playing with the spacer there. So when I will just add a spacer here, let's say that I want to create a space between the contact form and also the numbers. Now you can simply add a space really big, and then you can also change it on mobile. And if on mobile you want to have a bigger spacer, you can actually do it. So this is like the first thing about the spacer. Let's go back to also. Let me show you. You can add spacer like everywhere you want. That's what I really like about it, that it's like really easy to edit. And then like this is how the spacer works. Now you get also divider. Divider is really cool. Let me show you. To divide a site. So you can change like everything here. You can change the width. I'd have it in the middle. Then you can have like what kind of style you want. Again, really choose which one you like. That's up to you. And you can add an element or icon, really up to you. And then you have style here that you can change the wave. And you can change the gap. So this is how you can easily add divider and spacer in Elementor. And that's pretty much it. So thank you everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it works. So thank you everybody. Have a great day and goodbye.